Okay, I'm about to head out to the Jonas Brothers concert and I'm gonna do my makeup real quick, and I wanna do something kind of light and airy. I went ahead and put some concealer on my lids and I'll go ahead and blend that out. We're gonna start with this Bloodline Beauty blush and highlighter palette. I'm gonna use a little bit of this color to put on my brow bone right here like this. I don't want too much drama, so we're gonna use the same palette and put this light dusting of a brown color or peach color right in our crease right there. Make sure you blend that into the highlighter too. All right, then on our lid, we're gonna do this color here, and then we're just gonna tap that in, and then once we get to the crease, just make sure it blends in with the crease color. We're gonna take our little brush here and just go back and make sure that the creases and all the colors are all blended together and that there are no harsh lines. We're gonna use this Bloodline Beauty 15 Shade Shadow Party eyeshadow palette. Brunch in Paris is the name of it. And I don't really want a lot of drama. Like I said, I want to stick to like a more natural look. So I took this nice little wine color and took a little brush and made a nice little light wingtip on the corner of my eyes. All right, I put on some concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. Then we're gonna take our Bloodline Beauty blush and highlighter palette, and we're gonna use this peach color here, and we're gonna lightly dust our cheeks. You don't really need that much of this. And then we're gonna blend that on in. I'm also gonna put this over my nose too, because I don't know, I just love a blushed nose for some reason. I think it looks cute on me, so we're gonna go with that. All right, in the same palette, we're gonna go for this color here. And we're gonna do our nose. We're gonna do our little cheeklets. And then I'll put a little bit right here as well. Okay, I got my Bloodline Beauty mascara here. And I'm not gonna do any false lashes because, like I said, I don't wanna be too dramatic with this look. Easy breezy, clear, fun. So we're gonna do a few coats of this mascara. I forgot the name of what mascara is for some reason. I'm not putting anything on my bottom lash line, nothing there, because it's hot outside. I'm gonna be walking from the lot to the venue. I'm gonna be hot, dancing and having fun. I don't want anything to, you know, fall down into here. I don't want the raccoon look, at least not right now. I could totally do a waterproof, but the girlies that know, no, I'm not in the mood for that. I used this angled brush and a little dark brown eyeshadow and filled in my brows. I did them a little bit fuller than I normally do and just kind of use this little spoolie to brush them into place. Put on this Bloodline Beauty clear gloss. Everybody needs a good, simple, clear gloss. All right, and we're done. I did these black studs. I was gonna do hoops, but hoops and dancing, something getting tangled, yeah, no. So I did my hair really simple. I just pinned it back like this so it could stay the fuck out of my face because it's so hot. And then this is my dress. This is what it looks like. You know, I just figure, okay, the Jonas Brothers are from New Jersey, okay? I lived in New Jersey for a large sum of my life. One thing about New Jersey, we're loud, you know, cutesy. So I figure, okay, cheetah print. Thinking outside the box here. I bet nobody else thought about this. So this is my outfit, and I'm gonna throw on some black sneakers. I went ahead and put on some biker shorts. These are my little Skechers because we're in our comfortable shoe era. All right, and now I'm ready to go have some fun.